In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag your notes in OneNote for better organization and efficiency. Tagging your notes is a powerful way to categorize important information, track tasks, and make your content easily searchable. Whether you're managing a project, studying for exams, or keeping personal notes, using tags can dramatically improve your workflow. To start, open Microsoft OneNote and navigate to the page containing the notes you want to tag. You can tag individual lines, paragraphs, or even entire sections, depending on what information you want to highlight. Tagging is flexible and can be applied wherever you need it most. Next, go to the Home tab at the top of the screen. Within this tab, look for the Tags group. This section contains all the tagging options, from predefined tags like To Do, Important, Question, or Highlighted, to the ability to create custom tags that suit your workflow. To apply a tag, simply place your cursor on the line or paragraph you want to mark and click on the desired tag from the drop-down list. Once applied, a small icon will appear next to your note, making it visually easy to identify tagged items. For example, a checkbox can mark a task to complete, while a star icon can indicate important information. If you want to manage multiple tags at once, OneNote allows you to use the Find Tags feature. Click on this option to open a pane that shows all tagged notes in the notebook or section. This is extremely useful for reviewing tasks, locating questions, or compiling important points without manually searching through your pages. You can also customize tags to fit your needs. Create a new tag with a specific icon and name so that it can represent a unique type of note, such as a research reference or a reminder. Custom tags are saved for future use, so you can maintain a consistent tagging system across all your notebooks. And that's it. Using tags in OneNote helps you organize your content efficiently, keep track of tasks, and quickly access the information that matters most. Implementing a tagging system can save time, reduce clutter, and make your note-taking far more effective. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.